Do peas and strawberries go together? In this episode of Salad Sundays, I'm showing you that they absolutely do. Hi everybody, Ariana here, and welcome back to another episode of Salad Sundays, a series where I share nourishing and nutritious meals every Sunday that you can take throughout your week. This episode is focusing in on this strawberry and pea salad, which is a flavor combination that I didn't think would go together, but I was inspired by a wonderful dish that I had at True Laurel in San Francisco. This video is divided into 3 parts, one starting off with the strawberry vinaigrette, and then the salad, which is all the fruits and vegetables that make the base of the salad, and then the avocado puree, which gets layered on the bottom for extra creaminess. So if you're ready to get started, I'm ready to get started, and let's get to it. The strawberry vinaigrette for this recipe is one of my favorites, so we're gonna start off with that today. Of course, for today, I'm using a trusty deli container to blend everything together. Here, I'm adding 8 ounces of strawberries, fresh or frozen, 2 tablespoons each of honey, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil, then seasoning with kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. You can use an immersion blender like I am here, but a food processor or regular blender also works well. Now we have this sweet, luxurious sauce to dip our strawberries into. Okay, so now we're going to be working on the base of the salad, so the fruits and vegetables that make the salad. So here in front of me, I have strawberries that have been washed and hulled, sugar snap peas that have been cut into bite-sized pieces, stems removed, and the fibrous string removed, as well as a bag of frozen English peas. Let's start off with blanching. I don't like doing the dishes as much as the next person, so I'm choosing this wide, straight-sided pan to cook all of our veggies. To blanch, fill this with water and salt it when it comes to a simmer. Add as many peas as you'd like and simmer for about 2 minutes until the peas are tender but not mushy. Then here, I'm stopping the cooking process by adding these to ice water that's also been salted. For the sugar snap peas, we're dumping the leftover water out of our pan and sauteing the peas in a glug of olive oil. Salt as you go and cook on high until they take on this charred look that we have right here. These have a little crunch in contrast of the strawberries and English peas, and the char gives them a warm and smoky-ish flavor. The strawberries are the easiest to prepare, and we're simply quartering them to make them bite-sized. Now we're going to work on the base of the salad, which is this lovely, luscious green avocado puree. The base of the salad uses the same tool as our strawberry dressing, and to a deli container, I'm adding 1 avocado. Here I'm using 2 because they're tiny, 1 clove of garlic, the juice of half of a fresh lemon, and half a cup of heavy cream. Mix it up and season to taste with salt. We are at the final stretch, everyone, so congratulations, it is assembly time. In front of me, I have all of the mise en place that we have worked on throughout this video, as well as some balsamic glaze, which is completely optional, mint, pepper, and flaky salt. Today, I'll be plating in a single serving dish, so a salad for 1 person, and if you would like to make this for a dinner party, let's say, you could apply the same plating techniques to a large platter. Go ahead and grab a medium-sized plate, and here I'm laying down my avocado puree first. This adds creaminess and binds all the ingredients together. Drizzle a little balsamic glaze on top for extra flavor, and then dunk your strawberries in the strawberry dressing and place them right on the puree. Layer in the sugar snap peas, then fill in any gaps using our blanched English peas. I'm garnishing mine with freshly picked mint leaves, flaky salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. And there we have it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you could like and subscribe so that you'll be in the know about each video drop for Salad Sundays. Thanks so much, and see you next Sunday.